Guys, Tony here from LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com, hanging out. Let me know if you can hear and see me super quickly. Just want to know if the feed is actually live or whatever the hell is going on here. So we actually just finished painting yesterday. I clear coated and just waiting for some people to hop on quickly and let me know, give me some quick feedback if this is actually going through and being live here. So give me some quick updates, guys. I don't know if the audio and video is actually going through. So quickly type in the chat where you're coming in from, if you can hear me, if you are a VIP member or not. Let me know. Rusty, Seth, Francis Soto, I see you and I see ya. Can you guys hear me? Is the audio coming in okay, guys? Give me a quick update. What's up, Kevin? What's up, Francis, VIP Seattle? You guys can hear me, right? Say, I can hear you. Say what? Say what? United States, yes, loud and clear. Awesome. United States version. Audio working good. Excellent. All right, guys. So the paint is done. You know, I would wait about a week and then we can not clear coat it, color sand and buff it out. But what do you think? How do you think it looks? We did the roof. We did the hood with the custom mold here. Custom scoop bodywork done. If we look at the back side here, you can see that it was all molded in and looking super, super cool there. Check that out. We got the candy red mirrors. We did the plasti dip on the rims this morning. So we blacked out the rims, all the rims. We put a quick pinstripe here. I just was playing around and I said, yeah, it looks pretty good. You can see the pearl in the 3-stage white paint here. See the pearl in it? If I get to the sun area. And the match is pretty good. It looks pretty damn good for the match. Give a quick like if you like the layout of this thing. I think it looks pretty cool with the blacked out wheels. It looks pretty sporty now, you know, for a Mazda CX-5, you know what I mean? And I also did the little pinstripe on the side here. If you take a look, we got the same gold and red pinstripe matching this golden red here. Now, don't worry, guys. I got every piece of this project in step-by-step detail. Paint my plane. Yes, it would. And check out the back as we kind of go around it. So we got the candy top. This is all candied out. And then we did the whole tailgate black, just to give it a different type of look, you know what I mean? I still have to put the CX-5 badge on there, the chrome, but we put the Sky Active on it. Yeah, just keep it on. Another thing you could do to something like this is actually gloss out the bottom black if you wanted to. So what I would do is put some adhesion promoter spray on it. I would wash it down with a red scuff pad, right? Put some adhesion promoter, and then 2K prime it, sand it flat, and then you can do your base coat, clear coat, gloss on top of plastic like that. So that can be done. I'm thinking right now, no need. I'm thinking it looks good the way it is. I did not do the pinstripe on this side. I did not do the pinstripe on this side here. Yeah, this is just a regular edge here, you know what I mean? But I do like the red and gold pinstripe on this side. So, I mean, it looks pretty cool. I totally screwed up in the middle of the paint job, guys. And that's why it actually ended up being wider than I wanted. I actually wanted for the black to be this wide, the width of the scoop, but I totally screwed up and I ran out of white paint, so I had to go wider because I didn't have any white. And I'll tell you what happened right now. You guys want to know what happened? But you know what? I actually think it looks better like this anyway. It looks pretty damn cool. And the whole top is black. I don't know if I told you. Right, so here's what I did, guys. You guys want to know how I screwed up? So I was mixing my base coat. I ordered a pint of my tri-coat, which is the pearl that goes over the white. I ordered a pint of my white, and I had, I used half, I mixed half, used, sprayed half, and then when I mixed the second half, I had two gallon cans down there, okay? One was the reducer, one was wax and grease remover, and because they looked the same, I ended up putting wax and grease remover into my mixture, and it immediately curled up. I'm like, oh, and I got all that on video, so you guys are gonna be able to see that on video. But as soon as I like poured it in, it just curled up my white base coat. I was like, oh my God. And I needed that. I didn't have any other paint to freaking use. And it just totally screwed up. So I was like, cause I still had the primer outline, like around here. So I had to basically, just go wide with the black. And actually, I think it looks pretty cool. I think it looks pretty damn good. I had enough white for here. I made sure I pretty much poured some reducer in the leftover. I basically had like an ounce of white left in the can because I emptied it out when I was mixing it, right? So I used that and I stretched it on the sides here so I can get the paint job, the white, really done up well. And it came out fantastic, as you can see. The white here on both sides. So anyway, guys, Tony here from LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com. The mirrors are staying red. Yes, the mirror and the tail, the back little spoiler is red. Gives it a good little accent, I think. With the red there and the red little red pinstripe. Makes it look a little sporty now. You know what I'm saying? Hey, not bad, not bad, banging it out. And you guys can do this too. You guys can do this to any type of car you want. Just give it a quick spruce goose and you're in business. I mean, this is just a stock Mazda CX-5, guys. All I did was do a little custom painting on the hood, roof, did the mirrors. I did the plasti dip on the rims, blacked them out. And it looks like I just took it to South Lake. I just had to go pick something up. And on the road, man, people were looking at me like, what the hell? Like they couldn't believe it. They couldn't figure it out. Like I had a CX-5 in front of me and the guy kept on looking in his rearview mirror like, what the hell? Yeah, man, mine is turbo. Anyway, guys, you guys can do this as well. If you're brand new to the channel, just subscribe really quickly to get more notifications. That right here is another hood scoop we're going to be putting on that guy right there. I got a 2-inch hood scoop, just got delivered. And we're going to be putting that on the 67 Chevelle project as well. Right over here. This thing's running like a beast. Runs excellent. So comment below, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know. At the top right of this screen later, you're going to be able to download a free 85-page auto body booklet. Click the links below to go to LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com to get more free info on auto body and paint and DIY auto body. So give a quick like, guys. And do you have any rust repair to do on that Chevelle? Very little, yes. Actually, when I pull the windows out, I have a little bit of rust. Not a lot. It's mostly surface rust, but there's no big holes on it at all. It's a dry, clean car. The only rust would be kind of like in here, right? Once I take these moldings out, it'll expose more and I'll be able to see what's going on. All right, people. All right, that's pretty much it for the updates. Again, I got everything step-by-step documented, and I'm going to start making these videos exactly how this project went down. Every little detail is HD video, GoPro video, head cam view, POV, you know what I'm saying? All that stuff. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. I got some new toys. I got the little Milwaukee tool set. Playing around, got some stuff, and I'll speak to you guys later. I'm about to, so we're probably gonna let that sit for maybe about a week or 10 days, then we can cut and buff the hood and tailgate if needed, to give it that extra, to go the extra mile. So it doesn't need it, it's perfectly glossy, it looks great, but if you wanna go for that showroom look, you can cut and buff it, which we show you step by step exactly in VIP as well. Or you can sand it down with like 800 and then drop 2 more coats of clear coat on it. So you have that option as well. So a lot of things you can do. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Peace out. Peace.